Today I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of my new Tudor Black Bay 58. Blue version. Finally I got it. It's not the easiest watch to buy from Tudor, one of their most popular models around. Great that I got them right before the price increase. Tudor is increasing their prices. They actually already increased them. It's a new year. I'm filming it right now, a new year, and the prices already went up. For this model, it's about 5% more. For some other models, it's almost 10%. And yeah, depends on the model. The prices went up differently. So back to this watch. So I got them right before New Year, before the price increase. So I will save some money in future. Okay, so let's do an unboxing right now. Here's a box, pretty standard, nothing fancy. Same box that other Tudor watches comes, like Black Bay 51mm or my Royal. My Tudor Royal. It's basically the same box, the same package, nothing new, nothing out of place, so everything is the same. All right, here it is. Here is my new watch, my new Tudor, and I can say that this watch is perfect. Like this Tudor is almost perfect, but this one is just perfect. It's just perfection. I love everything about this watch. I was actually debating between black version and blue one. As you remember before, I even submit a post about this watch, which one should I get? And I think most of you vote for black version, but I'm kind of like blue style more, and I don't really like gilt dial on the black version, so that was my choice. I was lucky to be at the store when they have both of them, and I could compare them side by side, and I decided to go with the blue version because I like it more. It still has this vintage vibe, but it doesn't try to look more vintage than it is. So I think in this version it's a perfect balance between vintage and the modern style, modern look, versus the black one with gilt dial and yellowish golden color on dial there. So that was my choice, and that's actually what I was thinking when I choosing this watch. So let's see them closer. And I understand why this watch got so much hype and so much attention, so much love, because it's really a great watch. The design and the size is just perfect here. Standard Tudor clasp here. The bracelet feels like it's kind of vintage Rolex bracelet. I get this feel from the bracelet, which is fine for me because again the watch comes with some vintage vibe, and that's kind of placed together very nicely in my opinion. But I know people hate these fake rivets here, and it's not for everyone. You can replace it with different bracelet if you want, or you can put it on a strap, or you can put it on NATO, which is would be very nice. And I was again thinking that this watch is supposed to come with NATO strap in a package, but it didn't. It came with a standard package, like warranty card, everything standard here. And I was expecting to get the famous NATO strap, but I didn't. So yeah. So everything else is here. So this is the extra links. And apparently, in order to get NATO, you have to buy, like to order NATO for a particular Tudor watch, you have to buy watch first, and then they will order for a specific watch, they will order a NATO strap for a specific watch. I didn't do it yet. I have some other NATO strap that I probably will try to put this watch on, and will try to wear it on a NATO, because I have a few watches already on a bracelet, like many watches on a bracelet actually, and I have Tudors on a bracelets. Like I have this Tudor on a bracelet, and I was thinking to get this one and wear them on NATO strap for a while, but we'll see how it's gonna go, because it feels and it sits very, very comfortably on the wrist. It's just incredibly comfortable on my wrist on a bracelet, but I think I will give them a try on a NATO as well, in order to see how it's gonna go. The bracelet is not really heavy, and the watch is not heavy at all, and it's just very, very comfortable watch to wear. My wrist size is 6.5 inches or 70 centimeters, so that's how it fits on my wrist. And if you have a similar wrist or even a little bit bigger, it still will be great. I think that they will become my favorite watch to wear, and that's just a perfect watch to have in any collection. You need just one great everyday watch. This would be perfect.